in New Orleans has issued a special marine warning for coastal waters from Pascagoula, Mississippi to Stake Island, Louisiana, out 20 to 60 nautical miles. Coastal waters from Pascagoula, Mississippi to Stake Island, out 20 nautical miles until 11:30 a.m. Central Daylight Time. At 10:27 a.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing waterspouts was located 30 nautical miles southeast of Chandelier Sound. The severe thunderstorm was nearly stationary. Hazard: waterspouts and wind gusts 34 knots or greater. Source: radar. Impact: waterspouts can quickly form and capsize boats, damage vessels and oil rigs, and create suddenly higher waves. Small craft could be damaged in briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. The severe thunderstorm will remain over mainly open waters. Strong winds will be dangerous for boaters or anyone near the water. Boaters should avoid waterspouts and never try to navigate near them. Make sure all on board are wearing life jackets. Seek shelter or move to safe harbor until hazardous weather passes. Here is the forecast.